literally, it is like 2:01 in the morning, and it just knocked my brain for the video here because it's so funny. I can't believe I actually did this to myself. I don't even know how to start, yo. Like, I really don't. I'm about to cry, y'all. I am about to cry. Hold on, I'll come back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna talk about how me near the whole of my eyebrow. I'm kind of nervous. So there I was casually cleaning my apartment, you know, just cleaning, and I'm passing the mirror and I'm saying to myself, girl, you need to get pampered. Like, you need to shave them eyebrows because they do not look good. Period! 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 Right? Mind you, all my entire life I've always had a bulk of eyebrow. Like, my eyebrow hairs are always enough, like them enough. Them just enough. You understand? You know when even when you shave them and then now them are grow, so it look weird. It just look like you want to shave your eyebrow. Yes, that's what it looks like. So I pass the mirror and I'm like, you need to shave your eyebrow. I'm like, yeah, but I'm just lazy and I can't, but I've gone at the tone for shave my eyebrow. So I'm like, all right, you know what? I could just finish clean and go on YouTube and find a way how to shave my eyebrow, right?
Never had been seeing this yet.
Girl, I went on YouTube, right? I saw a lot of options come up about like using the razor to shave. I had razors, you know, but I knew I was no good at it, so I was like, you know what, forget that one, I'm not do that. Because if I did that one, wouldn't have not even them here left. Like, sorry, I'm hungry. So I saw this thing about using Nair, and I was like, this looks quite easy. I'm gonna go for my tripod, carry it into the bathroom, set up my phone on it, and funny enough, while doing this craziness, I don't know what got into me and I decided to film it. So I'm going to be inserting the videos as we go along, right? So I put my phone on the tripod, carry it into the bathroom, I watch a tutorial, I watch one tutorial and I'm like, yeah girl, you got this, you know how to do this, good girl, right through, boom bang bang. 1, 2, I mean I can't do this, Rosh. So I'm gonna go for my Nair, and I went for my Q-tips, the ones that you use to clean your ears. Oh my god, guys. While I was baking this cake, right? No, so at the part the bun, when I look on the part there. While I was baking this cake, right? I was taking the pan out of the microwave, really, Rush? I was taking the pan out of the oven and it just burned me. So that's why I'm having this here. So it's kind of cute though. Like, she looks like a smiley. Anyways, 10 to in a one. I go for my Q-tips, I go for the Nair, and I go for, what else I went for? What else did that I needed? I don't remember, you know. Oh yeah, and I went for one of my makeup brushes so that I could use it to apply the Nair, right? So mind you, this tutorial was like, all you need to do is like, it's really easy. Comb your eyebrows up and like shape them the way you do when you're like creating your eyebrows when you're going out, and then you just put the Nair like as concealer to like clear off the excess hair. I'm like, easy work that. So I do that, and I put the Nair on, right, and I'm there. I'm gonna say, you know what, I'm give it about 2 little minutes. You see, this is why I'm not like eat around people. Anyway, but I'm hungry. I'm just make it like about 2 minutes. I'm going to the kitchen, start washing up my little plate them. You know, I'm feel like it's a burn now. I'm like, okay, let's wipe it off. Girl.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
While I was wiping it off though, mind you, I was not seeing anything coming off. I was like, this even work? I'm not seeing here. I come off. You're so hard. This so hard. What? So I'm like, this no work? Girl. You see when I just wiped it off first with the cloth, like it was dry, no water or anything, it was just dry. I wasn't seeing any hair coming off. Then when I took a piece of tissue, wet it, and then I put it on it and I wipe it off, I'm like, I need my where my eyebrow went. Like, look here. I almost dropped down when I see the amount of hair come off. Me I say, no, Sarah Rochelle, like the whole of my eyebrow gone. Far, far away. Look on it. Oh my god. The whole of my eyebrow gone, you know? My eyebrowless. No, me can't even tell my mother about her eyebrow because we twinning. Literally. Like, with my eyebrow there, it does look like one straight line. It not even, I don't know. Sorry. Alright? So, me wipe it off. I see the bunch of the bulk of hair come off, you know. And me say, alright, I thought that's one side. Me do the next side. Probably the next side I have so much. Me can't just fill it in when me I go out and whatever. The next side. Me literally just come out of the bathroom. I had to finish wipe it off good. Came out of the bathroom. I went into the living room and I sat there for a good 10 minutes contemplating whether or not, you know, if me have sense. Because I don't know how somebody if just get up, see something on YouTube and say, alright, I eat that. Nobody but Rochelle, right? I get up, I just get up, right? I'm like, you know what? You can't not but you don't have no eyebrow, right? Most of the last are like 2 weeks or something. I get up, I go back into the bathroom. I use my like I started doing my face regimen then now. I started doing like my skincare routine. I'm wash it off. Yo, me I wash this thing off. It start burn me like burn like
she wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
Like it felt like fire was under this one. It was this one that was burning me, right? So I was washing it off and I'm like, no sir, it's supposed to burn that much. Come on, me use near down on me. There and it never burned. So I'm like, hold up, wait a minute.
Hold up, wait a minute.
So I wash up my face now, I pat it off and I say, alright Rochelle, let's look on it. You saw my look. Apparently right here, so I know one probably can't see it, like right here, so have one little cut. Like me assume that they near to that. And I'm like, it was that dangerous, my guy? So now I'm left eyebrowless with a scar to remember the dumb I did. So don't ever be like me and go on YouTube to find easy ways to shave your eyebrows because you'll end up coming out looking like eyebrowless. I cannot believe I shaved my eyebrows. Like I'm so hurt because I have no eyebrows and like my eyebrows were just me and like I have no eyebrows right now. I mean, y'all don't even know how it feels because I don't even want to go out because I'm so insecure about the fact that yo, my eyebrow them look like this currently. And then Kay is like, my boyfriend is like, oh, it's just here, it will grow back.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. But you
right. So yo, it's funny and it's so sad at the same time because I can't believe I really shaved my eyebrows off. And then it's like it must not look that bad. I'm like, because I'm so used to me having so much eyebrow. Like, I'm gonna show y'all. Like here, everywhere. I have a lot of eyebrow. I've been having a lot of eyebrows since forever. So me having like this amount is so eyebrowless-ish. This now work out, honestly. Thank you guys for allowing me to rant to you guys about me shaving off my eyebrows. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Miss you. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, for real though. Alright? See you guys next time.
Whoa, pretty little painting hotter than a hot tool. Me I say you hot like them, I say you hot too. Yeah, me see the curls them pretty with the contour, man I say